So I'm over here moving out, and hold on 1 minute. We got to get the radio. Where's the radio at? The Rojo radio.
I don't know.
Where's the radio playing?
What?
Can we turn the radio off, please? Please, my friend. Can we turn the radio off? Okay.
Turn the radio on?
No,
Off.
no. Turn the radio off.
Oh.
We got to have a conversation, okay, bud? Please.
Okay.
Please, my friend, only today. So I'm over here trying to move out of my shop and, you know, do what I got to do to get to Moab, Utah. Come here, bud. Come here. Come on. Come here. So I'm trying to get out of my shop, and, you know, I give him a walk around. Come on over here. You what?
Water bottle with there?
Water bottle.
Yeah. One?
Gee, I wonder where that beautiful helmet came from. I'll bet that thing worked good, didn't it? Did that helmet work good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, my body peed.
No, whoa. Who?
My body peed.
Who?
No, his name is not Pete. It's two Pete.
It's
No.
stupid.
No.
It's stupid. Give me a
Like
give
it,
me.
stupid.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
That's
It's,
fresh.
okay.
It's
Let's get a
okay.
shot with the water bottle.
We're still working.
Let's say it the real way, okay? Stupidro.
Stupidro.
Okay?
Okay,
Stupidro.
Stupidro, thank you
Okay.
for the helmet.
Yeah.
You're good. You see that word right
Listen
there?
to me.
Boom.
Let's go ahead and get this real action going now. We wasted about 3 hours this morning
What?
walking around the shop and showing you all the defaults.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm stupid.
Yeah. You did.
Remember, I'm a stupid guy. I don't know nothing. Am I right or wrong?
Oh, you know everything about this.
But I'm a nice guy. I'm a nice guy. I gave you a brand new welding helmet to keep in the shop, right?
Harbor Freight tool
But
helmet.
no, that's
Oh,
not
no?
Harbor Freight.
Oh.
No, that's
Oh.
Northern Tool.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
Clutch.
But I'm Stupidro, because I'm stupid.
No, you say Stupidro Joseph.
Yeah.
What else? What's
that's
your
right.
last name?
That's right, yeah. Okay. So we got a 1960, what is this, a 66 300 SL or an SC?
300S.
It's a S something.
S.
S something. And, you know, you guys have taken over my operation here. I let you come in here and work in my shop, but you all keep coming over and bothering on my side. I see that. It looks like you used car lot over here.
See that?
I wonder who, Stupidro, I'm sorry, I wonder who, Stupidro, I mean, somebody taught you how to do that. Somebody taught you how to do that. I wonder who that was. Oh, I'm sorry, it was Stupidro. Stupidro taught you how to do that. Am I right or wrong?
No, you're right.
Yeah, you're damn right, okay? What else has Stupidro showed you?
2 minutes bite.
What else, bud?
He shows the valves, switches.
That's right.
LED lights.
Hold on.
LED lights.
Yeah, what about those LED lights? What happened?
This morning, then I'll turn it on.
Yeah, they didn't turn on. Why?
Too cold.
Too cold.
Yes.
But don't listen to Stupidro, because Stupidro is stupid. Stupido. How do you say stupid in Spanish?
Stupido.
Stupido. There you go. That sounds like a clown name.
Stupido.
That sounds like a clown name. We're going to go ahead and change it over here. It's going to be called...
I'll see you tomorrow.
It's going to be called Stupidro.
Stupid Pedro, mañana.
Yeah, we'll see you later. Thank you. Thank you for being a friend when I'm trying to help you. Okay?
Okay. Can I keep working on this?
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm over here working on a Mercedes Benz, and I got the front end in primer, and then I also got the back end in primer. And all these guys do is come over here and they want to hang out and talk and yakety yak. And then when they're busy, it's like, I don't have time to talk. I'm not the one that wants to talk to you. All I want to do is get to work. I want to be left alone. This is my shop until I fucking move. I was kind enough and nice enough to let Mr. Majestic have that bay over there for storage, and you see what happened. It is now a full-blown Mercedes Benz mechanic shop, along with restoration shop over here on my end. I told Mr. Majestic this morning, I said, you know it's getting real close for me to get the hell out of here. And every time that you want me to work on something else, is less work on this one, on Nightmare. And when the time comes, I'm taking my rotisserie and hauling ass. You know that, right? That's what I asked him. I asked him that. And he says, okay, great. That sounds great. So if I don't get Nightmare done, it's not my fault, because I'm Stu Pedro. I'm Stu Pedro. That's who I am. You see the problem we have here, bud, is you're putting it in backwards. Jesus. Stu Pedro knows what he's doing, okay? You want to kind of get his smirk and his laugh there? See, Stu Pedro's not Stu Pedro.
No, never.
Okay, because you were putting this in backwards, see? And I didn't even take it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even a certified Mercedes mechanic like this guy. Okay, look. Okay, he's Mr., know-it-all on these cars, and he was putting this in back. Can you go ahead and give me that, please? Because I'm Stu Pedro. Do you remember my middle name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Pedro.
Stu Pedro what? Do you see that little special bolt? Now, he was putting it in like this, so it would go in like that. And I told him, look, that's wrong, dude. And what does he do to justify the situation? What does he do? He walks outside to make sure that I'm not a liar, like some people. So you got this little thing here. It's kind of obvious that it goes in that way.
Okay, you took the old one off, right?
I didn't take the old one off.
Who did?
I guess you did.
No, you did here.
No, I
and
didn't
then
take it off.
You send it up there to the shop. I didn't
Okay,
put my hands
what
all
about it? What about it?
Where the
I
light
guess
watcher goes?
that would go on there. Let me see.
No, there's one for that also.
Okay, well, it obviously doesn't go on there. All right, there's no way a lock washer will go on there, because this is a finely tuned Mercedes Benz machined part. Do you see what I'm saying, Mitty? This is finely tuned. So let me see your bolt over there. Stu Hedro. Stu Hedro. It's not, no, that's Stu Pedro. That's me. Okay. Jesus. Stu Jesus. He's Stu Jesus. Okay, this is what I would probably do with the lock washer. Look. Okay. You see what I'm saying? There's where your lock washer goes, and it goes right here, bud. Okay. Now, he was going to go ahead and start those. I want to ask everybody a question out there. Being Stu Pedro that I am, Minnie the body shop girl. Okay, he was going to go ahead and start those on there with this. Now, being a fine-tuned Mercedes Benz that you are, don't you think you would go ahead and actually start them by hand with that first?
I would.
I mean, what would you do, Minnie the body shop girl?
I would probably start by
Being the wife of Stu Pedro. Okay, are we pretty much done with Stu Pedro? Where's my dead blow hammer? Hold on, what did you call that, bud? What did you say that was?
I said rubber mallet.
That's not a rubber mallet.
Looks like
Being a certified diesel, mechanic,
Plastic mallet.
that's called a, what is that, Minnie?
I would say a rubber mallet.
No, it's not. It's called a dead blow. Okay, look at look. You see? A dead blow doesn't bounce like rubber ball. Okay, look. All right. Get your terminology right, but he did get one thing right. He said, oh, snap on. Exactly. He's not paying attention, Minnie.
I'm not either.
Okay, look what I got. You got my friend Pete's dead blow, and you got my friend Pete's socket, and this is a snap-on, so let's not lose it, okay?
What do we do if
Oh my gosh, here we go. Hold on, do what?
If this arm is aligned.
Okay, that'll line up, because see, it has a lot of slop in there. Okay, so what you do is you get it up there as close as you can, and then see what happens if Minnie can bring the camera over here. Let's do Pedro do some things. This is rubber. So once you start that in there, what'll happen, that thing will move and line up on there automatically. But what I would do first, to make sure it all lines up, I would take some grease and put grease on there so it'll pop on there, bud. I mean, that's just Stupidro talking. That's just Stupidro talking. That's all Stupidro. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spit in your eyeball there, buddy. So, yeah. So, you know, Stupidro is stupid.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, Stupidro's a dumbass.
I know.
Okay. That wasn't nice to say, baby. Hold on, come on over here, buddy. Come on. Why is he hiding?
What?
He's hiding around the
He was
corner.
doing the other side. I was doing the other
I
side.
know, he no comprende, so we can't talk to him. Okay, he no comprende. So he has no comment. Let's look over here and see how this is all going. Did you get it started in there, or are we still?
No, the same. Yeah.
Okay, what about this? What's going on? You didn't put this on.
There's trash.
How do you figure trashy?
Where'd it go?
You sure this doesn't go on the bottom, bud, before rubber goes in?
What rubber? This?
This bushing here, that doesn't go on the bottom of that?
No, there's none of them.
Okay,
like
so that has to be for something. Okay, let me see. It has to be for something because they wouldn't give it to you if they didn't use it for something. Didn't Mr. Majestic get all this from Germany?
No, he got it from eBay.
eBay, okay. All right,
eBay got it from
there you go. So come on out here before Stupidro has to say goodbye. I know Betty's rolling her eyes. She doesn't want to do this. What are you doing, Minnie, the body shop girl?
I'm sanding.
Let's go over there and look at that sand job. Okay, let's see how good Minnie. Stu Minnie. Is it Stu Minnie? Since I'm Stu Pedro?
No, Pete.
Okay, what are we doing here?
I'm just sanding.
Yeah, but there's a.
And you could get to work too. You know, we got a lot.
Well, I am working, okay? What's going on here? What are you sanding now? What is this car?
What does it look like?
What kind of car is it? Look, you need to do a little more sanding here.
I
It's
haven't
flaking
sanded
off.
that all.
That's flaking off. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone so you can go ahead and sand, okay? All right?
Thank you.
Don't sand the hood. We're gonna take the
I'm not
hood.
sanding the hood.
Okay, we're gonna take the hood off, so don't sand that. Now, have you sanded the front bumper yet or anything?
No, I have not.
So basically, you're just getting started.
Yeah, and then I had the camera, so no, I haven't gotten shit done.
Okay. All right, thank you, Minnie the Body Shop Girl, for showing us what you're doing today. Do you think we might have this thing ready to paint in about 2 days, or? Okay. All right. All right, I'm gonna leave you alone, okay? Minnie the Body Shop Girl, the Sandra Girl. Stupidro's gotta go, all right? Okay? Minnie.
Okay, Pete.
Well, you know, it's a situation that says, you know, Stupidro this, Stupidro that, and, you know, everybody's a professional except Stupidro. What are we all contemplating over now? You guys have been looking at this thing for like 35 minutes.
It's misaligned, man.
No, it's not misaligned. I'm telling you, bolt it in there and go. These are rubber. These things are rubber. They move. Okay, they move. They're rubber. Okay, what they don't understand is rubber actually moves, okay? It moves, and it's designed that way on purpose so it'll have a snug, tight fit. Are you listening, guys?
Yeah, I got it.
Put a bolt in it and suck it up slowly on each 4 corners, okay? That's all you gotta do. So this is what they're trying to do now. This is a front section off our parts car on the Nightmare Mercedes, and what they're trying to do is they're trying to copycat what's going on here. And for all the times they've been tinker-toying around, I could already have that thing in and done. But we're gonna let them work on it because Stupidro needs to actually get on something else that's a lot more smarter than putting in 4 bolts on the front end to hold it into the unibody car that is called a Mercedes Benz. Hey, Stu Jesus. Hey, Stu Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and put a timer on this. I want to know how long it takes to do a 30-minute job with you guys.
Oh, okay.
Okay? All right. Okay. There you go. I'm just wondering how long it's going to take them to put 6 bolts in that steering column to hold it in while they slide it into the gearbox. That's what I'm actually wondering. You do know how to do that, right? Hey, Sus?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Put the steering column in, guys.
Yeah, but steering
Okay,
column is
let's
not,
get her done, bud.
it's not ready to go
Let's
in
get her
yet.
done, okay? Okay, there you go.
Hey,
Thumbs up.
I can understand you.
Oh, now you can.
Hey,
Now you can. Now you know what I'm talking about. Exactly.
like at 65%.
You are talking, I can
Okay, you
understand.
see, I knew you could. I knew you could. So who's real Stu Pedro here? Exactly. You believe this bullshit? You believe it? Wow. Okay, time to get to work. Finally.